Today we're on our way downtown to South Canmore. We're just on the pedestrian bridge that goes over the Bow River, and we are steps from my latest listing at 806 6th Street. Let's go take a look. So as soon as you enter the property, we've got this really nice, inviting, bright and large entryway. It's perfect. It's got lots of space for you to take off your shoes and your coats. Right behind us, we've got this massive walk-in closet, and we've got also the furnace room and access to the single car garage. So we've got over 1,570 square feet in this beautiful townhome. It was built by one of Canmore's finest builders of fourplexes downtown, and that was Elk Run Homes. Elk Run have built a number of fourplexes over the years, and they do a great job of bringing in that mountain traditional look that everybody loves. We've got some cherry hardwood floors, we've got a beautiful Rondo Rock gas fireplace, and they bring in some beautiful wood accents as well, like the fir mantle on the fireplace and the open tread staircase that goes to the upper level. The open plan main floor makes it super easy for entertaining when you've got friends over. We've got this great island for hanging out on with the granite countertops. And then just to my left, we've got the living room where this flows into, which brings in some beautiful natural light from those huge patio doors. One of my favorite features about this property is how Elk Run have made these patio doors nice and wide so that the indoor space flows out to this huge deck. From the deck, you've got mountain views on both sides of you. We've got Rundle Mountain just on the left, and then right behind me, as you can see, we've got Grotto Mountain and Lady Macdonald. You can just sit here in an evening and soak in the sunset as well as those mountain views. So as we reach the top of this third floor, we've got this beautiful skylight just above me that lets in tons of natural light. We've got a 4-piece washroom and the laundry room just off to my left. The 4-piece washroom services this second bedroom on my right before we get into this beautiful primary suite. That traditional mountain theme is continued on this floor with the cherry hardwood floors, but they've added some modern accents to it with the tongue and groove ceiling that's painted white. And then they've designed this primary suite perfectly with these vaulted ceilings to capture the incredible views of Lady Macdonald. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or other properties in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great new listing videos coming in the next couple of weeks.